Hi, it's Ray Mills, your VBA craftsman. I'm going to demonstrate the immediate invoice creation capability of my customer manager tool and how it all ties together. So let's just take a look at two quick tabs first before we go forward. So in the setup tab, you establish the heading or the bill from company. That'll be, in our case, Russo's Pest Control. So you see at the top of this invoice, Russo's Pest Control, 8 Walnut Street, etc. All the details are filled in automatically from the setup. You install that once, and you're done. Second part of it is the customer. Here is Marley Chambers. If we were to create an invoice for him right now, all his information would immediately be populated. So let's just take a look, see if Marley's got any accounts receivable. And looks like Marley had a house treatment. Okay, so let's just say Marley gave us a call and said, oh, ICBs. Okay, so you go to the contact manager, and we want to add new, right? And we want to add a theme. So customer themes, let's say customer observes termites in the house. No, we did that already. We said bee, right? Beehive. Boom. So we then say post, and customer component about beehive. This particular section is very handy because we make sure that we tell the customer everything they need to know about the beehive extraction. If it's a basic beehive, it's $125. If we have to extract it from someplace in the house when we have to remove structure, it's $50 an hour for that structure. So we then post that here. Okay, let's say we go out and we've done it, and now we want to bill them for the invoice. Okay, so we'll say create invoice. Well, first let's go to, we'll go to create an invoice. And I like G's Clean because it's just a simple invoice. And bam, it's created. What did that take? 1 second? And here's all his details now. Marley hasn't given us his phone number or anything. So if we had more details, they'd all appear. So let's go here and let's build Marley. Okay? So we go to products and services. We want the beehive, right? So I happen to know that we don't have that many products because we're a pest removal. Beehive basic, $125. Add to invoice. And how long did that take? We've created an invoice in 30 seconds. So as long as you keep your customer stuff up to date, your customer maintenance, and keep your information here, keep the contact manager posted every time you talk to the customer, you create a contact. It could be about anything, but you have a detail of your relationship with the customer, and you can call them back up later, and you can retrieve the contact information and check on the notes and see what's gone on with the customer. Maybe the customer's mad about something, and we know to handle it in a sensitive matter. So it's all in one place, and you just saw I created this invoice in 20 seconds. I mean, it's just couldn't be easier, and it's great for someone who has a small business, but it's getting ahead of them, and they don't want to be spending time, creating invoice, typing all this nonsense, and really it's tedious. Okay, this will make it faster for you, and it's all within Excel. And if you know Excel and you wanted to change something on here, you could, because it's just Excel. That's it, easy. Thanks.